So I figured we would start with a tour of my chickens. None of them really have any names. I just know them. So if you guys have any name suggestions, I'm here to hear it. So these two, they live in this bottom one. I've been opening this up and debated about putting them outside. So this guy, he's not actually a Serama. He's small, but he's not a Serama. This girl, she's a Frizzle, so her feathers like curl out like that. These two, they're actually like have these bands on their feet, so they're like higher end Seramas, like they were show Seramas, but they're kind of older. She barely lays any eggs anymore. It's probably been like a month or 2 months since the last time she laid any eggs. So that's why they're in here. These ones up here, these are my crippled girls. This one, she hurt her leg here a while back, so you can see she only stands on one leg. I tried rehabilitating that leg. She won't stand on it at all. So she's very sweet though for the most part. Her counterpart here, she stood out on the ice too long and honestly her feet froze off. So she has no feet. I don't know if you can tell. Excuse me, ma'am. See? No feet. She just has like little nubs. But these two really like sitting on eggs, and so I gave them some eggs that were fertile and they hatched this one. So that's how they got started.